This is chapter 14, lesson 5. And we're going to talk about the attributes of quadrilaterals. Okay, you want, kind of curious, okay? Anybody know what the word attributes means? Oops. Attributes, what does that mean? So, an example that they give us is the diagram shows how quadrilaterals are related to each other. Okay, just like you're related to your family, right? A lot of you guys look like your mom or your dad or both. Actually, look like you're related to both of you, both of them. It says what attributes are shared by both rectangles, well, and squares? Well, let's see. Look at the rectangle and the square. What are some things that are the same about them? Dan?
They have
Remember, quadries are similar. Okay? Similar. Okay?
They both have 4 sides.
They both have 4 sides. Perfect. Okay? What else? Yes, they both have right angles. 4 right angles, actually. Anything else? So the opposite sides are equal to each other, yeah. They're both parallelograms because they both have 2 pairs of parallel lines. All right? Which is totally different than from a rhombus. It doesn't have 4 right angles. Okay? And then look, it says rectangles and squares show the following attributes. So there's 3 of them, and we talked about them already. Opposite sides have the same length. Length. Both pairs of parallel side. Both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. There we go. Right? Is that? Yes, opposite sides are parallel. Okay, and there are how many right angles in both of them? 4. And it's something like this. This is a parallelogram. Yeah, I'll try to say that a whole bunch of times fast. The cool thing is that look, the 2 L's are what? Parallel. Okay, parallelogram has opposite sides right here, the top one and the bottom one. They're the same length, and both pairs of opposite sides are parallel. So then this side and this side are parallel and also have the same length. Okay, so it has 2 pairs of parallel lines, and both pairs have the same length. Okay, it also has opposite angles. You're like, what does that mean? This is an angle right here. Okay, that means this angle is the same as this angle here. It has the same length. Okay, and then this angle is the same size as this angle, and they're opposite from each other. Okay, one's on one side, the other one's on the opposite on the other side. Draw an example of a quadrilateral that is not a parallelogram. Go ahead and do that. You should have something like this. Okay, I'm going to go like this, and I'm going to make another. Okay, like this, and like this. What did I make? Oh, I actually made a trapezoid. And that is not a parallelogram. It is a quadrilateral because it does have 4 sides. That's pretty good. Okay. says classify the quadrilateral you drew. Explain why is it not, first of all, why would it not be a parallelogram? Why? Okay, so it's not a parallelogram because it does, not all the sides, opposite sides are not the same length. Great. Okay, and then it has one pair that are not, one pair of sides that are not parallel. Okay, something like this. Oh, look, a trapezoid. A trapezoid only has one pair of parallel lines or sides, so therefore it's not a parallelogram. Okay. It says name one attribute, okay, one characteristic that a square has that a rhombus does not. Okay, you could even go back to page 859 to check. Yes. 4 right angles, yes. Nice. 4 right angles. Okay. Draw an example of a quadrilateral that is not a rhombus. There we go, roughly like that, right? Now I could draw this. That's not a rhombus either. Classify the quadrilaterals you drew. Why they're not a rhombus? Well, not all four sides are the same length. That's why. Okay, so something like this. You're right. 4 right angles. Here's an example. That's not a rhombus. Okay, a rectangle, for example, or even a square has 4 right angles. A rhombus does not have 4 right angles. So it says complete the attributes of a rhombus. So opposite sides are what? Same length. Same length. Sorry, I already had this figure has opposite sides that are the same length. So this would be opposite. Okay, and then opposite sides are what you just tell me? They're parallel. Okay, and then opposite angles are the same sides. It should be something like this. Okay, parallel, same sides, and 4 sides that are the same length. Okay, 4 sides. Sorry, 4 sides that are the same length, not opposite sides. Okay, the quadrilateral. Name 3 other quadrilaterals that have all the attributes of a parallelogram. That would be a rectangle, a rhombus, and a square. Okay, another quadrilateral that has all the attributes of a rectangle. Well, almost all the attributes would be a square. The only difference is a square, all the sides are the same length, not a rectangle. Rectangle has opposite sides that are the same length. And then don't worry about it, just work on those there. Okay.